Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about the kingdom fungi. Kingdom fungi, like bacteria, we have studied that they are found everywhere, like in air, water, soil, etc. Similarly, the fungi also found in air, soil, etc. They are unicellular and also can be multicellular. Their common examples are molds, yeast, and mushroom. Today we will see about the feature of kingdom fungi. Most fungi have a well-defined nucleus. I have made you understand about the well-defined nucleus, that is their nuclear material is surrounded by nuclear membrane. And next is they are heterotrophic, means they feed on organic matter. They do not have chlorophyll, they cannot prepare their own food, and that's why they are known as heterotrophic. Most of them are made up of thread-like structure called hyphae. Their cells have cell wall, and that's why they were kept in plant group earlier, but now they are separated into another kingdom, that is fungi. They can be parasites or saprophytic. Parasite or saprophytic. Parasite means only depending for food on others. They cannot they cannot have their own food. They have to depend on others. Saprophytic means drawing the food from dead and decaying organism. Now we'll see about they are divided into following three groups. Divided into three groups: thread-like fungi, that is bread mold. Second is club fungi, that is mushroom. And third is sac fungi, that is yeast. We will see now about the structure of thread-like, that is bread mold. Here you can see the bread mold diagram, that is rhizopus. So we will see here this mold can be multicellular or unicellular. They grow in mass, thread-like structure called hyphae. This is bread mold. They grow in mass, thread-like structure known as hyphae, and singular is hypha, and this group of hyphae is known as mycelium. So please remember this structure: thread-like structure, that is hyphae, singular is hypha, and whole group of this hyphae is known as mycelium. The one growing downward is called rhizodial hyphae, and which grows upward is known as sporangiophore. And on the tips of this hyphae is swollen, that is known as sporangium, and sporangium bears the spores. As it gets mature, the sporangium bursts and spores released, and this spore can germinate again. The common example of this bread mold, thread-like bread mold, is rhizopus and mucor. Here rhizopus is shown to you. Nutrition. Nutrition of this bread mold means it draw the nourishment from the food substrate. They secrete this rhizodial hyphae secrete the digestive enzyme in the food and make it soluble so that it can absorb the food. Secreting the digestive enzyme, making the food substance soluble to absorb by this rhizodial hyphae. Respiration. Molds respire aerobically. They need very little oxygen to respire. They take the oxygen through the hyphal wall. Hyphal wall. Oxygen diffuse in and carbon dioxide diffuse out. So this way respiration takes place. Next, useful fungi and harmful fungi. First we will see about the useful fungi. Like bacteria, fungi also decompose dead plants and animals. Release the simple substances in the soil and plant use these substances as nutrients again. Yeast is used in making bakery products. It is added to dough where it is uses sugar as food and breaks it down into carbon dioxide and alcohol. This makes the dough rise. The paste of idli and dosa is made by grinding dal and rice. It is left for few hours. Then it becomes very light, fluffy and sour. This happens due to yeast on the paste. Alcohol and alcoholic drinks are made by fermentation of cereals and molasses. Molasses means thick juice of sugar. The antibiotic penicillin is obtained from the fungus Penicillium. The first antibiotic penicillin was obtained from the fungus Penicillium. So these are the useful fungi. And next we will see about the harmful fungi. Mostly fungi causes the disease on human like ringworm, athlete foot, Dhobis itch, etc. And it can infect even lungs, ears and nervous system too. Many diseases are also caused by fungi in plants like rust and smut are common disease in wheat plants caused by Puccinia and Astilago respectively. Here you can see the rusting of leaf. And next, some fungi are responsible for destruction of timber as they cause rotting of wood in many trees. Spores of rhizopus, mucor and other fungi germinate on jams, jellies, pickles, bread and meat, etc. and destroy them. Some fungi destroy leather cloth, rubber paper, even camera lenses. Now, a small activity you can do at home. You can take a two container. You can mark A and B. In that, in A container you can put a piece of bread, and in B also you can put a piece of bread. But container A will have the wet bread. Moisturity will be there and it should be covered. But other container will be open and leave for 3-4 days. You will see after 3-4 days there will be no change the container which was open, but when you open the covered container you can see the growth of cottony mass, that is hyphae. And if you take the piece of this hyphae under the microscope and observe it, you will find this type of structure. So this experiment you can do at home. Dear student, here I conclude my lesson. Please go through it, practice this diagram for the exam, learn the kingdom fungi thoroughly. Thank you.